Hi, it's Daniel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool Starfighter paper airplane. My favorite part about it is it has this really cool opening in the front, and it flies super well. Let's get to folding, shall we? So for this Starfighter airplane, I'm using a blue sheet of A4 printer paper. So first you're going to want to fold this edge to that edge. We're basically going to make a water bomb base just on the top portion of the paper. It sounds super hard, but it's not crazy hard to do that. This edge to that edge. Unfold. There's multiple ways that you can do this. I'm just going to show you an easy way. Turn the paper over, fold this edge, pretend that there's an imaginary line between there and there. You want to fold it along that. So you want this point and that point to end up at there and there. That. Perfect. Unfold, turn it over, so now you have this mountain crease, pop that down, then you see that this starts to happen, it starts to come three-dimensional, and then you have this valley crease go along that, then you have this kind of cone shape. Now fold it along those creases. Okay, so here's the water bomb base at the top of the paper. So now this step is really to taste. I make sure that this step is trying to do it the best. So fold this point to about in that area. You want this to be a straight line, not like this at a diagonal and not like this. Try and get it as straight as possible. Perfect. Now, we're going to fold this point to that point, like that. Unfold that, open this pocket all the way, and then insert this flap into this pocket. Try not to alter the crease too much. You might be thinking, what does alter the crease mean? It just means don't let the crease go off what it already is too much. So now, turn it over. Fold this up, but not just anywhere. Fold it up along that edge. So it's like that. And now you should end up with something like this. Now, we're going to fold it in half. But now, unfold that, open this up, and you see this valley crease? You just pinch it to a mountain and bring this whole portion up, so it's like this. So it was like this when it was in half. Now, open, mountain, up. So now pinch this part right here and push it down and then align it with these edges. So it's like that. So then you get this really cool like chicken foot shape. Now fold this down about, I'd say right about there. turn over and try and mimic that on this side. So fold all the edges to align so that they're flush. Fancy terminology. Turn over, fold this edge to that edge. Unfold and fold this edge to that crease. And now refold this crease. And then when you have the wing up, it has this nice curl shape. Now we want to repeat that on the other side. So fold this edge to that edge. Unfold, fold this edge to that crease. Refold that one. Put it up. You are now completed with the Starfighter. Hope you like the Starfighter design. It is a little bit tricky with a few complicated steps, but you have to keep trying. They are so fun to play with. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below if you have any questions about what paper I'm using, questions about the folding, or a project you want to see next. You're the boss. Let's get to flying, shall we? Ha! Gotcha. Oh! Oh, one-handed. Gee, we had a collision. I heard it. Wait a minute. That didn't go as planned. Wah, wah, wah. That, like, I could feel it go, like, over my hair.
All right.
I'm scared of the truth.